if this is the overhand weave and I'm doing my left hand extending, if I just take my right poi out of it, over, under, home, it's when you're going from under to home, you can start by just making it a little bigger, and a little bigger, and a little bigger, over, under, a little bigger, over, under, and then big, over, under, big, over, under, big, over, under, big. And then once you've done that with the one hand, you can put the other poi into it to just practice what it's like in the full pattern, trying to keep the weave going. And then you could do the same thing with the right hand where you practice the over, under, home, and then do a little bit bigger, and a little bit bigger, and a little bit bigger, and a little bit bigger. Okay, so a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger, and then you can go the full size. And then when you feel like you have the timing of that, you can put the other poi into it at regular size so that you can feel that difference. And then once you can do each of them individually, then you can start just trying to alternate, which is the next step. Wait. If you're trying to alternate like this, right, then left, then right, then left, if you looked at just the arms, the arm that goes big, it's almost as if as soon as it gets in, it's almost like it's going to hit the other arm and cue to make it go big, and hit the other arm and cue to make it go big, and cue to make it go big. So go big, go big, go big, go big. And this is an artistic choice as much as it is a technical thing. This is still an extension. It's not as big an extension as this. So you have to decide what size matters most to you in this context and how big you want to go. And you may want to build up to it so it's like really tight at first, and then you do gradually make it a little bit bigger so that the timing of it expands as the move expands. Like that's artistry at that point.